I've probably seen this image on Twitter and it's from Scroll. And what does it say? Well, it's basically telling you to utilize their official bridge and not a third-party bridge to receive the Scroll airdrop. So let's go and see how from the Scroll airdrop, you are able to earn the Scroll airdrop. And then we go and jump onto the ZKSYNC airdrop because that could potentially have the same criteria as of this one. And we are here on the Scroll page. And what you gotta do is pretty simple. You need to get your tokens into the Ethereum mainnet. If you don't have onto the Ethereum mainnet, but you have it, for example, onto Linea, Arbitrum, Optimism, the best way to bridge the funds is with the bridge. The link is down below if you wish to join. And by doing this, you are also earning and farming a third airdrop, which is the bridge, because every transaction counts towards a point system. So simply go and put from Linea to Ethereum, or whichever way that you want to do it, Arbitrum, Linea, Ethereum, whichever you want, and you go and bridge it and you get points. Once you have them over on your Ethereum wallet, which the bridge in my opinion is going to be the best airdrop this year, we're going to go over here to Scroll. Once you have it to Scroll, you click on deposit to Scroll, and yes, we have done volume, for example, in RhinoFi, in Orbiter, on dBridge, on Jumper, on all the other swaps and bridging functionality, but we need to utilize this one as well. And the volume is across everything, yes, but the transaction has to be also sometimes on their official bridging. So we click on deposit to Scroll over here, and then you deposit any amount you want. There are some gas fees, so make sure to do this when you see this number low. Ethereum gas fee $6 is really good. If you see $30, $40, $50, maybe come back a little bit later on the day when people are not there, early in the morning, whichever you want, and you click on deposit funds. It will then go to the Scroll page over here. And what you gotta do to withdraw to Ethereum is very simple. You need to switch to Scroll over here, click and change the networks, and you will go to withdraw and you put the amount that you want to withdraw. In this case, let's say 0.006, which is this one. It is $19, 93 cents, 18 cents, and you click on withdraw the funds, which is very, very simple. Click on withdraw funds and you are good to withdraw as this. Now, the transaction is there. What's happening next? Well, the bridge on Scroll, don't get scared if you don't see your funds immediately. It takes 2 to 4 hours, and it's the same thing if they ask you over on their Discord. 2 to 4 hours is the waiting time for this one. Once you're gonna be able to claim them, as we see here, claimable in, you will need to be to the claim page over here. So come back after a couple of hours and you will see a claim button. At this point, you click on claim, the Ethereum will go into your MetaMask wallet on Ethereum. And this is it. This is the only thing you need to go and do to farm 100% the Scroll airdrop. We don't know whether it's going to be this month. We don't know whether it's going to be the next quarter or the quarter after. Just once a week, go and spend that $5 to $6 fees, come and do the bridge, go and create volume also on their official bridge and make sure to do it. But with that, also make sure there is one update aside from this one update that I didn't take you guys. It's the Foxy airdrop. If you're a MetaMask user, this is completely irrelevant, but I did go and just collect $90 on the Linea mainnet. So make sure to go and add this contract address. I will leave it to you down in the description below, and let me know in the comments if you receive any. I got 5,000 tokens of Foxy. The link is down below. Simply go and add the Foxy to the Linea over here. The contract address, simply click on, here I got $94 from it. Simply click on import token, the contract address, you will see Foxy. And then if you need to go and switch the Foxy to Ethereum, USDC, whatever you want, I would suggest you not to either use dBridge, absolutely yes, but the best option in this case is to use the Jumper exchange, which is gonna have another airdrop, so it's good that we're farming now a fourth airdrop. Simply click over here, go on to the Linea, and type in Foxy. In this case, I just did it, but it is over here. Foxy on to the Linea Ethereum, go and do the swaps, and as we see over here, I did convert the 5,000 Foxy over to the Ethereum. So just make sure to go and try, make sure to go and do it. If you have them, great. Give it a shot and see what's the possibility with it. But talking about this Foxy airdrop over here, once we're done with the Scroll airdrop, what are we gonna do? Well, with the Ethereum that we went and put it from dBridge, Arbitrum, Optimism over to Ethereum. Ethereum to Scroll, then we withdraw them, Scroll to Ethereum. Once we have them on Ethereum, we go to the portal ZK bridge over here. And this is the official ZKSYNC on a beta version of the bridge. And we go and do the same procedure. So we have our 0.1 Ethereum, we go and click on continue, make sure your wallet supports the ZKSYNC network before adding funds to your account. And yes, the MetaMask wallet does. So see the list of the supported wallet on the ecosystem below. You can click over on there and try to go and look for it. But as we see over here, if you're not using MetaMask, but MetaMask is there, they're, Argent 1inch. So all the wallets are here. We simply go understand, proceed to bridge from Ethereum to the ZKSYNC. Click on bridge now. Remember to not put everything that you have in your wallet for this transaction because you do need some gas fees, in this case $11. We click on confirm and the transaction is done. So we have done the volume for the Scroll airdrop, for the ZKSYNC airdrop. And yes, before we did go and do it with dBridge once again, with Jumper, with RhinoFi, with Orbiter, whichever it was. But it's good to come here once a week, spend the gas fees, which yes, it's a pain, but make them because potentially for the ZKSYNC airdrop, as well as one of the criteria is to utilize their actual platform instead of just third parties platform. But while we're waiting for this one to go and finish, I want to remind you that the Satoshi DEX, the world's first Bitcoin decentralized exchange, is the only, let's say, pre-sale that I went and joined, and we got sponsored at Token 2049. They're the official sponsor of the program, as well as they are listed as we see over here. And why do I like them? Because they actually are listed on an exchange already. So the token is coming, we can see it over here, Satoshi DEX, and they are part of the Coin Paprika. Is the first exchange announcement, so I'm really hyped for it. If you want to join, the pre-sale is now at 2 cents. The more you wait, the more expensive it gets, so up to you whether you want to do it, but definitely something nice to go and consider as a pre-sale, completely separate from what an airdrop is. And yes, it is, it's risky a pre-sale, you never know what you're going to receive from a pre-sale, but other than that, I did put a couple of hundred, so $400 back in my pre-sale time. I got around 30,000 tokens. So that's the equivalent that I put in. Up to you, whatever you want to put in, if you want to put it. But talking about the Scroll airdrop and the ZKSYNC airdrop, it takes a little bit of time. Once these 30 minutes are done, all you have to do, come back over here and then send them, withdraw them from ZKSYNC to Ethereum and keep your asset again on MetaMask. Tomorrow, you come back. Or next week you come back and you do the same procedure. Scroll, deposit and withdraw. Then go to ZKSYNC, deposit and withdraw. And you do it consistently. Do not fade this. Don't go and think that it's some incredible, crazy thing happening. You need to make sure to do it and do it properly because it is very important that you go and utilize these two things. As we were talking about also the dBridge airdrop over here, which I am farming heavily. And I am ranked 123. Now, I know I'm spending a lot in gas fees, but my aim is to be top 100, potentially. Who knows? We will see. But if you do join with the referral link, thank you very much. You do support us. There is a referral points accurate as well. But make sure to go and do it and let me know what you think down in the comments below. But make sure, please remember to go and do the Scroll airdrop, go and do the ZKSYNC airdrop. And by doing all of this, in case you have the funds in another platform, you have the possibility to earn the dBridge airdrop and the Jumper airdrop at the same time. But with that said, thank you for watching, guys, and I see you all in the next video. Ciao, ciao.